Hello friends, welcome to the course of Computational Physics. Myself Dr. Sandeep Arote from Department of Physics, Sangamner College, Sangamner. In this course we will learn some basic terminologies related to computation, computer, its configuration, programming language and computational physics. We will see several examples of physics which you can solve through the computational methods. Now here in this course we will start with the basic configuration of computer. Now what is computer? Computer basically a device which helps you to solve your so many problems quickly. It not only make your task easier, but it also give you a very simple solution and quick solution to your problems. It also performs variety of things at a time because it has that much the processing capability. The word computer comes from a word compute, which means do calculations as per the instructions provided to it. Now to have a computer or to understand computer, we must understand what are the basic components of computer. So computer basically have three basic components. The first is known as the input unit, then central processing unit and output unit. In central processing unit we have memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logical unit, where memory unit will help you to store whatever your task you are performing. The control unit will help you to do processing, and arithmetic unit and logical unit will help you to mathematical calculations. Display is basically used to show whatever task performed by the computer. Now to configure the computer, we must understand two basic components or two basic things related to computer. The first is known as hardware. So all the physical components of which the computer is made up of is basically known as hardware, while software means the set of instructions which you are providing in a prescribed format to the computer, known as software. Now this software again divided into two parts. The first is known as system software, which basically require to develop the system applications such as operating system, while the application software are basically used for specific tasks such as drafting, Microsoft Office, Player, then PowerPoint, then video editor. All these softwares comes under a category of application software. Now what is computer program and programming language? So the set of sequence of instructions which you are providing to the computer in a specific format or syntax is basically known as program, while programming language is a language which is used to write such a script or such a code is known as programming language. This language is easily understandable by the computer, and again the computer programmer is a skilled person who has a knowledge of the programming language. So with the help of that particular programming language, one can write set of instructions, and with the help of that set of instructions one can perform a specific task with the help of computer. Now till a date, various programming languages were developed for various purposes. These are such as BASIC, Pascal, Fortran, PHP, JavaScript, C++, C, Python and so on. So all these languages have their pros and cons and have some advantages and disadvantages. All these languages are basically developed timely for specific tasks to be done. Some of them for scientific purpose, some of them for editing purpose, some of them from animation purpose. Now in summary, computer has two basic parts, that is hardware and software. Software is basically the set of instruction which will help you to get the task done through the hardware, that is physical part. So this is all about the basic things about computer. Thank you.